Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching me for the first time, then my name is Simi. I create beauty and fashion content. Currently I'm more into beauty content, but in future definitely you will see more fashion content as well. So today I have come up with this summer proof everyday kind of makeup look, and I absolutely love how it's turned out. It's look like that I'm wearing too much makeup, but actually I'm not. I'm wearing very minimal products, and all the products are very lightweight and they will not feel heavy and uncomfortable on the skin. So if you're interested how I created this look and what specially I have used the product, then please keep on watching. So I'll start with a physical moisturizer. As I said in my last video that this is one of my favorite moisturizer, and this moisturizer was suggested by my dermatologist, and it will moisturize your face throughout the day till if you are not washing your face. And my second step would be sunscreen. Sunscreen is must, no matter it's winter or summer. You have to apply sunscreen, or you are indoor or outdoor. And I'm तो in Rajasthan right now, and Rajasthan में धूप नहीं पड़ती है, यहाँ पे लू चलती है. And as you can see, my camera is also moving. इतनी ज़ोरों से हवा आ रही है because I shoot video window खोल के, so ताकि I get a good amount of light. So इसकी वजह से काफ़ी सारी हवा, and yeah, it's damaging my skin by the way, but still anything for video. And I'm going to set my face with setting spray so that I don't get sweat and my moisturizer and sunscreen get set. And to cover up my dark circles, I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty concealer. This is such a great product. This is so affordable and at the same time the best quality, and this is full coverage, lightweight, and I really like the applicator by the way. This is so user friendly, and most of the time I like to use concealer only to cover up my unevenness or dark circles or spots which I have. I don't like to use foundation. Most of the time I use foundation whenever it's needed, when I'm doing glamorous makeup look, or when I want very clear and good base for my video, then I use foundation. And in real life though, most of the time I use concealer only. I use foundation I don't remember when I've used foundation. Like I've used on my wedding and on my tikko ceremony or on my haldi ceremony. So yeah, otherwise I just use compacts and concealer or BB cream or something like that. I don't use foundation by the way. Now I'm going to set everything very nicely with the compact powder. I'm using 925 from Lakme. This is such a great product by the way. It has matte finish and it gives you a medium coverage, I guess, like shade to medium coverage at the same time. And yeah, and I love this compact as well, but this is like one shade darker for my shade, so that's why I don't use most of the time. But yeah, sometimes I use this. I am going to finish this by the way. So yeah, and I am going to set like my eyebrow with eyebrow gel, like eyebrow mascara. And today for my blush, I'm going to use this product. This is Beetroot tint, and this is actually very natural by the way. Like it's feel like it's the blush, when you apply, it looks like that you're naturally flushing, like you're naturally red lips. So I really love this product, but it goes with minimum product. But if you apply with a foundation, it will not go very nicely. I have tried it, but if you are not applying so much base on your face, then it looks very beautiful. So yeah, sometimes what I can do, like I just apply a little bit compact and just blush and just this tint on my cheek and on my lips, and that's it, and that's my whole makeup. Tint and I'm going to apply on my lips as well. After I got this product, I just apply this tint on my cheek and lips, and that's what I do usually. But no, for this video off camera I have applied my lipstick. I'll let you know the lipstick shade in my description box. I don't have currently in my hand, and I don't know, I have misplaced somewhere also, so I don't know where it is, but I will let you know the shade in the description box. So yeah, and for mascara I'm going to use a Maybelline Hypercure mascara, and as you can see kitni zoro se hawa aa rahi hai, like literally my camera and my tripod is shaking all the time. After applying mascara, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Kajal, and nowadays I am becoming Kajal girl, by the way. Like there was a time I never liked Kajal. I always a eyeliner person, but pata nahi, aajkal I'm liking Kajal more. So yeah. So yes loves, I hope you enjoyed this video and you love how I created this look, and if you want to see more content like this, then please do subscribe to my channel and give a like and comment me more suggestion and share with your family as well. So, and you can follow me on my Instagram to know more about me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.